Everybody is going to put their gloves on before we begin the activity. What are seeds? Can you tell me what seeds are? Seeds are things you put in the soil, parts of a fruit or a vegetable you put in the soil for it to grow. Can you see this? These are also seeds. Look at it. They are seeds. They are called chia seeds. Chia seeds. Can you see? Can you see? Navaya, look at it. They are seeds. You see how tiny they look? They are so tiny. They are so little. Tiny, 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 tiny. See? They are so small. What do you see here?
Tomato.
Tomato. Do you think tomato have seeds? You think tomatoes don't have seeds? Okay. They have seeds. Let's find out. Ta-da!
Yeah.
What do you see? Seeds. Look. Tomatoes have seeds.
Put it in my hand.
Do you know what fruits I have here?
Yes.
Mango. Do you think mango has seeds?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Is mango seeds tiny or big? Very big?
Yes.
We will find out soon because you are going to peel it. What do you see here? Bell pepper. Do you think bell pepper has seeds?
Yes, please.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, I can see something. Look. What do you see?
See.
What do you see? Seeds.